Hey guys, welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll show you how to access Headspace Premium legally for free. If you've heard there's a secret trick to unlock every meditation without paying, then here's what you should know. The truth is, there isn't a legitimate way to permanently unlock Headspace Premium for free. However, Headspace Premium sometimes offer official free trials and promotional offers for eligible users. Some employers, schools, universities, healthcare providers, and insurance plans also provide free or discounted Headspace access as a benefit. So to check your eligibility, open the Headspace app or visit the official website and review the available subscription offers. And you need to avoid unofficial apps or websites claiming to unlock premium features, as many of those are scams. So that was the legal way to access Headspace Premium. Please do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. Thank you for watching.